President Emmerson Mnangagwa is cut short his annual leave, officially citing the need to coordinate emergency responses to severe flooding affecting Zimbabwe in neighboring Malawi and Mozambique. But political observers say the move comes against the backdrop of deepening factional battles within ZANU-PF. Sadc kupindanya kupangwa ilo achinzi. Mnangagwa abruptly cuts short leave amid escalating ZANU-PF infighting. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Addressing the media in Harare on Thursday, Deputy Chief Secretary for President Chiao Communications Charamba said the president was now personally directing a multi-agency response to climate-induced disasters. The president is leading a coordinated national response to the flooding situation, working with all relevant agencies, Charamba said. Zimbabwe, Malawi, and Mozambique have all been affected by the heavy rains and flooding, prompting regional humanitarian and relief efforts. Charamba said Mnangagwa had ordered the Civil Protection Unity to remain on high alert, backed by the army, police, and various government departments. He has directed that all ancillary agencies, including the security services, be ready to deal with any anticipated weather-related disasters, Charamba said. As part of preparedness measures, government has pre-positioned 50 tons of grain in each province for emergency use during the rain season. Charamba also said Zimbabwe has mobilized resources to assist neighboring countries. Food supplies and helicopters have been made available to support evacuation and rescue operations in Mozambique and Malawi, he said. However, political analysts argue that the president's decision to cut short his leave is less about floods and more about rising instability within his own party. ZANU-PF has in recent weeks been robbed by intensifying internal power struggles, with senior figures reportedly fighting over influence and control of key party and state processes. Mnangagwa's advisor Potungwara is said to be at loggerheads with the ZANU-PF Central Committee member Mnangagwa as factional tensions threaten to spill further into the open. The growing infighting has reportedly unsettled the party leadership, forcing the president to return early to manage the simmering crisis. Observers say the combination of climate emergencies and internal party battles has placed Mnangagwa under mounting pressure, exposing the fragile state of governance and unity within the ruling party. Global developments are reported in Zimbabwe. Comment section menus are full of aim to leave on subscribe or like on